is meteorologist Mark Mulner for February 17th, 2013. Let's take a look at the current map here. We have a low pressure system moving out of New England here that caused several inches of snowfall from Cape Cod up through Maine, and then across the Carolinas here where we saw about an inch up to 2 inches in some isolated areas last night. But that system, 964 millibars, really winding up towards Nova Scotia and Newfoundland. That is on its way out. So that's leaving behind colder temperatures. Lake effect snows on the order of 2 to 4 inches off of Lakes Erie and Lake Ontario here with lake effect snow advisories. But that's going to end with this warm front out in the plains. We have temperatures warming up into the 60s and 70s as far north as Wichita, Oklahoma City, Dallas over to Lubbock, and just east of Denver here, where we're seeing a return flow of this warm air. This is our next major system across the United States. Out west, things are quiet at the moment and temperate, but that will change Tuesday. Let's take a look at liquid precipitation amounts across Louisiana, Texas, and Oklahoma, and heading on up to the mid-Mississippi River Valley. That's where we're going to see 2 to 4 inches of precipitation, most likely in the form of heavy rain and possible thunderstorms. Up here in the northeast, New York, Pennsylvania, western New England, about a 1/4 inch on Tuesday, and then heading up into the northwest here. That's where we're going to see 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch with the next system moving on in the next 24 to 48 hours. These precipitation amounts are effective through 96 hours this week. So let's take a look at the next system that's going to roll across the country. It's going to roll right in from develop a low near Colorado and push towards just north of Chicago. That will vary greatly on where the snowfall line will exist, and across the upper Midwest here is where we could see some blizzard conditions heading on into southern Canada, into Ontario and Quebec. We'll continue to watch the northeast, but it could be mostly a rain event for much of the mid-Atlantic here. So we're going to continue to watch that. Temperatures will, let's take a look at temperatures here. Heading on into your Monday, we see that return flow of warm air really bubbling up through west of the Appalachians here, and out west conditions very temperate, but then you get this returning shot of cold air behind the system, and you get the warm air pushing out ahead Tuesday, and then Wednesday we push the temperatures off the coastline as we head on into your Wednesday, and colder air kind of sets in for the nation, but very quiet. We're looking at a very quiet weather pattern setting in. Other than that rainstorm event with some snow to the north, we're not looking at much else going on at the moment. It could be a blizzard for the upper Midwest, but we will target that down later on Monday and into Monday evening. I'm meteorologist Mark Molnar. Like us on Facebook and MediaMark. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Here's a 4-day forecast for my hometown viewers from Binghamton to Elmira and the northern tier counties of Pennsylvania.